Simple and absolutely delicious cabbage salad. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. To start, we are going to be prepping our ingredients. I started by cutting the cabbage. The amount of ingredients that you are going to prep depends on the amount of salad you are making. I transfer the cabbage in the bowl and set it aside, and I'm going to cut the other ingredients. I'm making use of a little bit of yellow pepper and some purple onion. Feel free to add the red and the green pepper if you have available. I only have the yellow one. That is what I'm going to be using. I also cut the onion as well. Cut it into any shape of your choice and set all the ingredients aside. This part is optional. If you don't like to wash your cabbage, just keep it, but I like to wash mine. I just added some water on the cabbage and I had a little bit of salt. I slightly rubbed the cabbage in between my hand. I'm going to take it to the sink, get rid of the water and run some water to it till I get rid of the salt from the cabbage. While the cabbage is draining from the water, I'm going to go ahead and make the dressing. I just added a little bit of salt, some onion and some olive oil, and I go in with some black pepper as well. Added a little bit of chili pepper, which is optional, and added some basil leaf, and I stir everything together until they are well combined. And you guys, this dressing tastes so delicious. I added the cabbage, which has already drained from the water, into the bowl. I add the onion and the yellow pepper to it, and I go in with the dressing. I stir everything together until they are well combined, and that is it, guys. Super simple but absolutely delicious. You can pair it with chicken, with beef, with rice, with your jollof rice, with your fried rice. It's so delicious. I pair it with some jollof rice and chicken, and you guys, it tasted absolutely delicious. If you are on a weight loss journey, this is perfect salad for you. Go and give it a try. I top it up with some sesame seed, guys, and that is it, guys. Super simple and so delicious. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.